Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your PlayStation Plus subscription from Essential to Extra or Premium for more games and features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand the differences between tiers. PlayStation Plus Essential offers online play and monthly games, Extra adds a game catalog, and Premium includes classic games and game trials. Step 2. Turn on your PlayStation console and sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Step 3. From the home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store by selecting the store icon. Step 4. In the PlayStation Store, scroll to the PlayStation Plus section or use the search function to find PlayStation Plus subscription options. Step 5. Browse the available subscription tiers and select the tier you want to upgrade to. You will see Essential, Extra, and Premium options with their respective features and pricing. Step 6. Select Upgrade or Subscribe on your chosen tier. The system will calculate the prorated cost based on your remaining subscription time. Step 7. Review the upgrade details including the price adjustment and new features you will receive immediately upon upgrading. Step 8. Confirm your payment method or add a new one if needed, then complete the purchase by selecting Confirm or Subscribe. Your PlayStation Plus subscription will be upgraded instantly, and you will have immediate access to all the additional features and games available in your new tier. Your next billing will be at the new tier rate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.